Hello. Who's hungry? Spaghetti and meatballs. Hello, color crew. Come on out. Let's play. Are you hungry? We're gonna make spaghetti and meatballs. Spaghetti. Here's the plate.
Wow.
Now let's draw. Tomato sauce. Tomato sauce. Very good. Mmm. Doesn't that look good? Patience, color crew. We need some meatballs. Need some help? Meatballs. I'll just put a few on top. Mmm. Are you that hungry? Wait, we need some cheese on top. But how? Oh, I know. A grater. What? Fire truck? I don't know.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Well, I don't know what we're gonna do with this. No, this is not a grater. This is a fire truck. Are you available, Mr. Eraser? Can you help?
No.
One more try, color crew. Grater. Grater. Good job. You did it. Okay. Now we'll grate the cheese. Doesn't that look good? And a little fresh basil on top. Spaghetti and meatballs. Mmm. Bon appetit. Enjoy. Lemonade. Hey there, color crew. Come and play. Let's draw. This is gonna be fun. Lemonade. Here's a glass. Can you please draw a lemon? Come on, I'll help you. Lemon, thank you. That looks good. Okay. Now, here's a few more. Cut them in half. And squeeze. It's hard. How do we... Oh, a juicer. That'll help. Huh? Sunglasses? Well, okay. We could try them on. What do you think? No, this is not a juicer. These are sunglasses. Mr. Eraser, can you help us?
No.
That's okay. Give it another go. Juicer. Juicer. Good job. Well done. Okay. Now it's much easier. The juice is coming out. Much better. So we'll pour the juice in the glass and add some water and some sugar. Can you draw some mint? Mint! Thank you so much. That's great. Smells so nice. Just a few leaves and some lemon slices, some ice cubes. Give it a little stir. And more leaves and a straw. Doesn't that look beautiful? Perfect. Lemonade. Have a sip. Ice cream. Hi, Color Crew. Come on out and play. Ice cream. Ice cream box.
Yummy.
Just a minute. Not quite yet. Now it's your turn. Let's draw a cone. Come out. I'll help you. Cone. That's great. Okay, so here's the cone. But how do I serve the ice cream? We need a scoop. A scoop. What? Rubber duck? Well, we could try. On top, maybe? No, this is not a scoop. This is a rubber duck. Time to work, Mr. Eraser. Come and help.
No.
That's okay. Let's try again. Scoop. Scoop. Now you've got it. Good job. Now we can scoop the ice cream. So there's pistachio flavor and chocolate ice cream and mango ice cream. Whipped cream. Whipped cream. This is gonna be so good. Okay, just a little taste.
Wow.
And a little chocolate syrup. And candies. And waffles.
Oh. Wow.
Ice cream. Now you can eat, Color Crew. Enjoy.
Baby First, click the subscribe button below.